Alright guys, the moment's finally here. The unveiling of the DJI Phantom version 3. I'm gonna open the box. I got my assistant here, Goofball 1, for comedic relief.
We're opening a package with tape.
We're opening the box with the
containing
DJI.
the drone, new version V3. Hi, hello.
Alright, so.
Also on my channel, like and subscribe.
That's right. Absolutely. Subscribe.
And like. And you can click on my other links to see my old videos about flying over UCF or stuff like that.
And tell your mom, your friends, your gardener, your babysitter,
Your dog.
Anybody
to click on subscribe.
Right.
Even that random dude down the street.
Exactly. Especially that guy, because you know he's on YouTube all the time. Alright, so here it is.
Voila.
Guys, this is pretty cool.
It got gold!
I'm excited. The Phantom 3. Okay, we don't want to see your head in this video. Okay, so anyway. Check it out, guys.
It's pretty sick.
Oh, I love it. It's cool.
It's got gold.
And it's the 4K.
It's the Phantom version 3.
Right.
We originally had the V2.
So this is the professional. Then they have the advanced. This is the professional. Alright, so.
We're using a good...
Hey, let me borrow that.
Can I borrow those scissors again?
No.
Thank you. Alright.
Me.
I got Vanna White back there. So I'm cutting out coupons. She'll cut out 50-cent coupon and spend.
And let them expire and throw them away.
Right.
And then spend $50.
Exactly. So now.
We're gonna fly in the sky with the drone and record.
So I'm going to try to open. Okay, we don't want to look at your big head. We want to look at the DJI Phantom. Alright, so now.
He's opening the box. And this is how you open a box if you didn't know.
Right.
Not many people know how to go
Just
open
in case
a box.
you didn't know. Alright, voila. Finally
And
got
then
it.
guess what we have? It's the most important thing. The cardboard.
So we got the manual.
Manual.
You know, I gotta be honest with you, there's less packaging in the version 3 than there is the version 2. I'm not sure why, but it's just less.
Whoa.
Alright, okay, Goofball.
It is the best part.
Okay, Goofball, assistant, thank you. So here, no, can you move that out of the way? Thank you. This is the inside of the Phantom 3. This is the controller. You know, you got 2 antennas versus
It connects
1.
to the satellites.
Okay, your head is too big for the video. Here's the clip for your iPhone or your iPad or whatever you're into.
Did the 2 have that?
The 2 had it, but this one's cooler.
Why?
Cooler.
The version 2 had a clip. Okay, anyway, look. So here's the Phantom.
Pretty cool.
You got here's the gimbal ring. Here's the gimbal ring.
He's good at this.
Wow, it's pretty good workmanship. Made in China. So we got that. I'll put the gimbal ring back on later. Okay, I'll do audio later. I don't think they want to hear you sing.
Okay.
So anyway, here it is. All right. Good. What else do we got here? We got our accessories. That goes in here. Whoop. So here's the propellers. Got a little in a snazzy case. Accessories. And here's the charger. And I'm hoping it has the extra battery because I asked for 2 batteries.
I think you could have
Here.
built that
Here,
in,
Vanna White. Here, hold this.
at the hotel.
Yeah, I didn't know because the version 3 was much more complicated. And
You should have opened the box.
I didn't realize how they. I think they minimized the packaging to save themselves some extra cash.
Or maybe they realized they overdid.
You know what?
I got packaging and dough.
This is missing a battery.
You better take out the packaging from the top.
Dude, this is missing a battery.
Oh, snap!
Whoa, these guys really dropped the bomb
It's
on
over
this
and
one.
over.
What? That
Whoa.
Did they charge you for it?
Yeah.
I bet they did. Alright guys, well
Yes, they did.
that's
Well, that's a wrap because Evan is good. Ooh, blah, 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 blah,